Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what makes Flinks different from other financial data providers. Flinks sets itself apart from competitors in several key areas, focusing on depth of data, superior connectivity, and its strong market position, especially in Canada. Firstly, Flinks offers advanced data enrichment capabilities. It doesn't just provide raw financial data. Its enriched product transforms this data into actionable, model-ready insights, providing over 4,500 enriched attributes. This goes far beyond basic transaction categorization, offering detailed analysis for things like income verification, cash flow analysis, and robust fraud detection. This deep level of insight enables faster, smarter decision-making for lending and underwriting. Secondly, Flinks focuses heavily on high connection reliability and secure connectivity, specifically through open banking standards. They boast one of the largest networks in North America with over 15,000 financial institutions, achieving a very high data connection success rate, often over 95%. Crucially, Flinks emphasizes API-based connections, including a large network of OAuth/API integrations, which are the most modern and secure way to share financial data, offering better reliability than legacy screen scraping methods. Thirdly, Flinks has a distinct competitive edge in the Canadian market. It has established itself as a leading provider of financial data connectivity and open banking solutions in Canada, with strong connections to all major Canadian financial institutions. This deep focus and regional expertise make it the preferred choice for businesses operating primarily in the Canadian ecosystem. In short, Flinks distinguishes itself by offering deeper data intelligence through its enrichment engine, prioritizing secure and reliable open banking connections, and maintaining a dominant and specialized position in the Canadian financial technology space. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.